Okay, the next question is, describe a time when you had to make a data-driven decision with limited or incomplete data. How did you handle it and what was the outcome? Here's a good answer. In a previous role, I was tasked with analyzing customer behavior to recommend improvements for our onboarding process. However, we only had limited historical data and no recent data for new users due to changes in our data tracking tools. We needed insights quickly to inform the upcoming product cycle. My responsibility was to analyze whatever data we had and identify actionable insights that could improve the onboarding flow. With limited data, I had to be creative and use alternative methods to form reliable conclusions. I first examined the historical data we did have and identified patterns related to user engagement. Then, I conducted user interviews to supplement our dataset with qualitative insights about the onboarding experience. I also explored proxy metrics, such as user engagement after the onboarding phase and support request rates, that could give us clues about user satisfaction. Using these insights, I created a hypothesis on which parts of the onboarding flow could be improved and presented a plan to B, test specific changes in the next update. The proposed changes improved user engagement by 15% within the first 2 weeks of implementation. This experience taught me the importance of being flexible and resourceful when dealing with incomplete data and reinforced my confidence in combining quantitative and qualitative insights to make informed decisions. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Shows resourcefulness and creativity. You show that you didn't let limited data stop you. Instead, you leveraged proxy metrics, historical data, and qualitative research to make informed decisions. 2. Demonstrates cross-functional skills. By including user interviews, you demonstrate that you're comfortable working beyond traditional quantitative data analysis and can gather qualitative insights when needed. 3. Highlights data-driven decision-making. You emphasize using available data to form a hypothesis, proposing a plan, and testing improvements, which shows that you rely on data to inform decisions. 4. Provides measurable outcome. Mentioning the 15% improvement in engagement as a result of your work shows your impact. What you should avoid saying. 1. Avoid focusing solely on limitations. Don't say, we didn't have enough data, so I couldn't make any decisions. This response comes across as passive and doesn't highlight any problem solving or resourcefulness. 2. Avoid vague solutions. Saying, I made some guesses based on what we had, lacks specificity and doesn't show a structured approach. 3. No outcome or result. Don't skip over the outcome or impact of your work. Simply stating, I suggested some changes, without showing results misses the opportunity to demonstrate impact. 4. Neglecting learning or adaptation. Don't forget to mention what you learned. Saying, I did what I could without a learning component misses an opportunity to show growth and adaptability. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsiate.com.